Hi guys, today what we're going to do is we're going to unbox the P2 Riser Base so that we can be able to use on our P2 or our P2s. Right, so first of all, this is the first time that I'm going to do this unboxing, and we will actually set this up, okay, before I'm going to bring this to my customer's place and we're going to fix it up onto the P2, okay, so let's begin. Okay, so as usual, they are neatly packed. Okay, we'll take a look. Okay, so they are neatly packed, and the instruction book is included right here. Right, so this is the instruction book. Okay, so I already took everything out. Okay, so it's included your screwdriver. Is actually, if you got your P2, basically it's a similar screwdriver that you're gonna get, and there's a pack of screws and your tape included, right? So we'll put this thing up. So on this instruction book, right, so these are all the parts, and the first thing, what are we supposed to do to assemble this thing up, right? So we will follow the steps. Okay, so after we have fixed this part, all right, so this part down here, then what we're going to do is we're going to, on the side panel, okay, so there is one bar down here. There are two little holes. Okay, we need to secure another screw down here. Okay, then this will be able to attach onto the base, right? I'd like to highlight, alright, so for this side panel down here, so this is the top, the number one. Okay, so make sure that you do not reverse it and screw it up. Okay, so make sure this is the footing. Okay, the footing is where you hit to the bottom. Alright, so this is how it goes. Do not actually reverse it. So if not, there's a very common mistakes that if you get overwhelmed and you just put up all the screws, and then at the end you find out that you actually reverse it up. Okay, I'm going to come up to the right side down here. Right, so the right side down here, so this is the right side door. Okay, do make sure that there is a little hole down here, and this part is actually slotted in. Okay, when you slot it in, the magnetize will actually hold it. This is a magnet to hold up the door. So this is how it goes. Okay, you open up the door, and then you actually locked it up. So I'm going to put up the screws, and thereafter we will actually put the sides. Okay, so these are basically the sides. Okay, after when you screw it, okay, so this is the left side of it. Okay, and I pre-assemble it. You just basically put in the 4 screws down here, and I'm going to proceed onto the right side. Alright, so I have done this is the right side of it, that is the left side. Okay, and there are 2 panels, there are 2 doors down here. Okay, you can be able to see there are 2 little notch at the side down here. Okay, so one is larger than the other. Okay, the back one is this panel down here. This is the back piece, and the larger one, it's the front door of it. Okay, so you can be able to open the front and the back. So we will actually put it up. Alright, so I already slot in. Okay, so just to make sure that this is the back door, this is the front door. Okay, so they are magnetized. At the side down there, this is the piece of magnet to hold the door. Okay, there is another piece down here. Okay, so this is how it should looks like now. Okay, and we will put up the other rest. So we will come down to the bars down here. Alright, so this piece down here will be able to put on the lip down here. Alright, so it's on down there and it's on here. So there are 2 bars, so that we will actually fix it up right now. Okay, let me get a closer look. Right, so that is the bar just now that I mentioned. Alright, so you can be able to notice that there is a lip down here at the end of it. So basically you just have to drop it in. Okay, and 2 sides down here. There goes the back panel. Okay, so this is the back panel of it. So we'll just put up the screw to secure all the sides down here. Right, back rear panel, you have to use the what is this? The M3 screws. Okay, do not use the flat ones. Okay, the flat ones are being assembled around the whole riser. So these are the screws specifically for the rear panel on the top. Okay, so make sure that you use the right screws. Okay, last but not least, this will be the fixing. It's called fixing B plate. Right, so it's actually fixed at the right hand side door. Right, so you can be able to see 2 screws down here, which coordinates with this fixing B plate. Alright, so basically this will be the last 4 screws that I'm going to fix it up, and we are all set, and we can be able to put on top of the P2 or the P2s, right? So that's basically, this is the right hand door. Okay, so this is how the whole installation is taking. Basically it took about, I would say, 30 minutes if you actually follow the instruction book. Alright, so I hope you guys get the whole idea how the installation is being done onto the riser base or for P2 and P2s. So I see you in the next one.